Good morning guys. Livuka njani? Dumela, okay, bonjour. Livuka njani? Mamuka say. Guys, nasitro beka porridge re hupuri nedovi. I don't know if you guys know that. Peanut butter porridge. So we're making that this morning. Let me show you how I make mine. But tirushandisa hufu sangana a mixed grain. So I'm not using the white hufu, the normal minimal. I'm trying the multigrain one. So yeah, let's get into it. Where are you watching from? Tag your country below. Do you have this porridge in your country? If so, do you make it the same? Is it similar? I don't know. I'm curious. I love food, guys. I love food. You know this. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. Siam Kela. On my channel, I do travel and food. Food is basically what I cook or what I come across and I like. If I'm cooking, guys, reminders, I'm not a chef. Auntie. My version of food, my style, Brisa style on this channel, Tinobika Brisa style. So the way I'm cooking is the way I like to cook it. So please, my critics, my chefs, Chimpo Mirai.
Open eye. Feel the waves cut through me, hypnotized by the sounds I'm breathing in. Hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight.
So now that it's boiling, leave it for 10 minutes. Because it's multigrain, it has to cook. So 10 minutes is precise. On low heat, depending on your stove, 2, 3 or 4. I left mine on 4 because my stove is not how it is.
2,000 years later.
So it looks done. It smells good. I am so, oh my goodness, that nostalgia feeling. Oh my goodness, this is like so good. So it's a bit sticky at the bottom. That's okay. That is quite normal. I will show you the pot just now. It's gonna be fine. Let's just dish it out. You know my favorite containers that I use when I'm dishing out porridge and I'm taking it to work. That's it. You know, that little thing, the same container I use for my oats. If you haven't checked out my oats video, how to make oats porridge Brisa style, please head over there. It's down here somewhere in my videos and see how we make oats porridge. Thank you very much for watching my videos. If you've come because you've watched the oats porridge, I'm so grateful. Thank you very much for watching my content. Okay guys, so my pot, as you can see, it's got like little honeycomb looking kind of things at the bottom. It's not burnt, that's just normal. I don't know, it's normal. If you need me to show you how to clean your pot, leave a comment down below. I can do a video of how to clean it. It doesn't take long. Yeah, it's, you just need to pour some water in it, soak it, yeah, and I'm happy to do a video with you for that. It won't damage your pots. I am so grateful, guys. My tabasa, thank you very much for watching my content. Siyabonga. Muskwele jakanaka. Thank you so much. Have a great day. Goodbye.